Still welding nuts on thin-walled steel tubes. You are wasting valuable time and money. Traditional welding nuts warp thin metal. Rivet nuts quickly loosen under heavy fitness machine vibrations. This causes serious assembly issues and high rejection rates. A leading Vietnam fitness manufacturer used 3 skilled workers. Each threaded hole took 60 seconds. Their production lines faced constant delays. They completely replaced this slow process. They installed a custom DUOMI CNC thermal friction drilling center. A tungsten carbide bit spins at high speed. Intense friction heating quickly softens the steel tube. The machine pushes the material downward. It creates a solid collar, and roll taps it instantly. Thread depth is now 3 times the tube wall thickness. No external hardware is needed. The dual-zone pendulum table eliminates idle time. The operator loads stock while the machine cuts. For independent spindles, handling multiple specifications, this completely eliminates all tools change downtime. 1 general operator now does the work of 3. Processing time is 15 seconds. Their overall output increased by 210%. Rejection rates dropped below 0.1%. Click the link in our description to get a free material test today.